Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to Pink and Blue I See You channel. Today we are going to make a fruit salad. Yay! I love fruit salads. Do you guys love them too? I'm sure you do. They're very healthy and very yummy. Okay, in here I have some fruits. I have a cutting board, a knife, a bowl that we can put our fruits and mix. Okay, let's get started. Ooh, look at this. I see some grapes here. Grapes are very yummy. They're very tasty. Let's put some in here. Here we go. Let's put the rest here. Okay, next we have a watermelon. Let's put half in here. Yummy. Oh, this is not a fruit. This is a vegetable. No. Wonder how that got there. Okay, let's do a pineapple. Pineapple is very yummy. Let's put 2 of them. I see a kiwi. Kiwi is very tasty. Dragon fruit. We have an apple. Yummy. Look at that. I have an orange here. Yummy orange. Really? Another vegetable? How did you get there? This is a carrot. No. Ooh, I have some more grapes. Cut it. Grapes. A tomato in the fruit salad? No. Here we have some bananas. I love bananas. They're good. My favorite one. It's watermelon. Yum. Let's put some more. We put some earlier, remember, from this? Okay. We have another vegetable. Come on, how did you get there? We're making a fruit salad. We're gonna make soup with you. Look at this yummy pear. Yummy. And here we go, some lemon juice. Look at this. Yummy. I hope you enjoyed making our fruit salad in here. I am going to eat this. Just kidding. These are fake, but I'm going to go and make real ones. because we need to eat our fruits every day so we can get our vitamins in. Alright friends, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Grown-ups, support our channel by subscribing here on YouTube. This is the way to let us know that you enjoy watching our videos. Please like and share so others can join here too. Thank you.